Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your pull start on your lawnmower engine when it won't return fully into the housing because it's a little bit seized up on the inside. So we're just going to use this engine as an example. It's an old Briggs & Stratton. However, you can use the same process for any small engine with a pull start. So you're just going to locate your bolts that hold this housing on. This one actually only has one left and we're going to take it off. Once you have all the screws off, there's usually one on the front, one on the other side. Once you have them off, you're going to lift this whole housing off the top. And you'll see it just kind of hangs in there. So what you can do, there's a little 5/16 in this one. It may vary depending on your engine. We'll remove that. And then I'm just going to soak it with a little liquid wrench penetrating oil. Give it some spins to work the oil in. Then you're going to put that little cap back on. You don't have to take that cap off, it just makes it a little more accessible. Alright, and that's all there is to it, folks. Just a little lubrication. And it goes back in all the way. Hopefully you found this helpful, and as always, please like and subscribe.